Hi guys, today's video tutorial will show you a straightforward process to inspect elements in Chrome. Open up Chrome browser in your PC. You can either right click on any empty space in the page or you click on the three dots at the top of the screen. Then you select or click on inspect. But if the inspect options is not on your menu like this, like my own here, so go for the right clicking option. Let's right click. Then in the menu that appears, you select inspect. In the inspect element option, there are several points you can access. The first is the element section here at the top, which is the HTML of the website. It allows you to see the view of the website. This is it here at the top, but it's not showing up very well in my in here. So you can see the doc type HTML. So this is how the website is being built. Now, the second element you can see is the CSS section of the website, which is the design, styles, and body of the website. We have the styles, the layout, the properties of the website, how the website is being designed and styled. While below here is the console or the back end aspects of the website. It shows what is currently happening right now in the web page as you make any changes or editing. It runs live and appears here. So guys, that is how you inspect elements in your Google Chrome browser. Hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.